So there are several major body cavities within the human body. The first one you have is the cranial cavity, located right at the top of the skull, and that protects the brain. The next cavity you have is the spinal cavity, located right here, and that protects the vertebrae. The next cavity you have is the thoracic cavity, located right here, and that protects the rib cage and the spine, and it contains the heart and along with the lungs. The next cavity you have is the abdominal cavity, located between the diaphragm and the pelvis right here. And that contains the liver, the pancreas, the stomach, spleen, kidneys, and some intestines. The next cavity you have is the pelvic cavity, located right below the abdominal cavity. And that contains the bladder, the rectum, and reproductive organs. In addition, there's a serous membrane located right between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity, located right here. And there's a serous membrane that is located there. You have two layers. You have the visceral layer, which is the inner layer that covers the actual organ, and then you have the parietal layer, which is the outer layer, and it lines the wall of the cavity just right outside the visceral.